I'm standing outside of Rolling Stones Records, where today I spoke to a few of the employees about all things vinyl. Recently celebrating their 50th year anniversary, one of the store's buyers explains how they got their start.
It started as just a tiny corner store, but through the years it kept expanding, taking over other stores that were in this area.
Before I was employed here, I was a customer, and honestly, this was my favorite place to come. I'd beg my dad to take me here like every other weekend or something. We'd kind of make a day out of record shopping.
The vinyl resurgence has brought younger kids back into the record stores buying physical product.
And it's really awesome to see people younger than myself engaged in buying music, being interested in it, really, diving deep for stuff.
Now these days, because of the resurgence of vinyl, we get a lot of teenagers and kids in their young 20s. Our customer base was primarily older men, but because for many years, I'm not sure which generation that was, but they were streaming, they were downloading, they weren't buying physical products.
Every record is a microcosm of a potential experience, so it's a really cool thing to explore.
Rolling Stones Records remains an iconic store enjoyed by many generations. Thank you so much to Fred and Mike for speaking to me today, and check out Rolling Stones Records if you're on the northwest side of Chicago. For RBTV, I'm Michaela Engshed.